In this video, I'll show you how to buy Minecraft using Microsoft Rewards. The process is simple, so just follow along. I'll explain how Microsoft Rewards works and how you can use the points you earn to get Minecraft for free. But first, go to rewards.bing.com. Microsoft Rewards lets you earn points by completing easy tasks. You can then redeem these points for different rewards, including gift cards that can be used to buy Minecraft. When you visit the site, you'll see tasks you can complete. For example, the Race to the Finish task gives you 10 points. Just click it, and the points are added to your account instantly. You will need to save up for a while because bigger rewards require a lot of points, but it's all completely free. Some tasks also give you more points than others. On the redeem page, you'll find all available rewards: Xbox gift cards, Microsoft gift cards, Roblox cards, and more. You won't find a direct option to redeem Minecraft, so instead, you need to redeem your points for either a Microsoft or Xbox gift card. Both work, but I recommend choosing the Xbox gift card. Pick the amount you want, either from the preset options or by entering a personalized amount. After redeeming your gift card, go to the Xbox or Microsoft store at xbox.com and search for Minecraft. When you choose to buy the game, select Redeem a gift card as your payment method. Enter the gift card code you receive from Microsoft Rewards. If the card covers the full price, you're done. If not, it will apply a discount and you can pay the rest with another payment method. This works for Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition too. That version costs a bit more since it includes both editions, but the process is exactly the same. You can also use the gift card to buy other games if you prefer.